Guys, Phil here, and
Hannah!
okay, so today we're bringing you a video which is basically to show off my custom motorcycle helmet that Hannah here kindly painted for me, taking
52 hours in total.
Okay, do you want to tell us a little about it?
Yeah, I've started with acrylic artist paint and a bit of permanent marker. Why? It's because we wanted a bit of a brush finish, bit of a stylised effect. It's taken 2 cans of lacquer, 52 hours, as I said before, and a whole lot of patience. We wanted a game theme, so I included the Bioshock symbols for Phil on the back, complete with its own quote as well on the front. I've got my signature on it as well, which I thought was a nice touch at the end, because it's my work.
You're so vain.
Shut up. Also as well, I included, instead of going for the traditional Japanese koi carp kind of style, I've actually altered it. It's gone into a zombie koi carp now, which I'm kind of obsessing over as well. So let's go show you.
And I'd just like to add that I did put a little work into the helmet myself, mainly a little bit of arm work at the very end, polish. well, guys, that was it. That was my helmet. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then don't forget to give it a like, comment, subscribe. If you like the helmet, then you may be pleased to know that Hannah will be taking commissions. I'll drop a link in the description for you. And finally, here we have Hannah pissing around in the helmet.
Oh, shit.
So yeah, cheers for watching, guys. Until next time, Fim out.